Hi, this is Jeff Guillet with the EXPTA blog. Today I'm going to show you my 4th generation home Hyper-V server. You can use a system like this to prototype design solutions, test out new software, get yourself familiar with the latest versions. It's a great all-around tool. On the top we have a cooling fan. At the bottom there are removable bases, so you can set this down on its side if it works better in your location. On the front, we have one door that opens up for hot plug drives, which we're not leveraging in this situation. And down at the bottom is a DVD writer. There are 2 USB ports on the bottom. Those are USB 2.0. There's USB 3.0 on the back. There's also audio in and out on this side. I've taken the side off the case so we can take a look at the innards. And inside we have an Intel i5 4570S Haswell quad-core chip. That's the latest generation Intel. It runs at only 65 watts. This thing is really cold. It runs at about 25 Celsius, 77 Fahrenheit when it's running at full speed. The motherboard is a Gigabyte B85M DH3 motherboard, and it supports up to 32 gigs of RAM, so I have 4 sticks of 8 of Corsair Vengeance DDR3 1600 megahertz RAM. There are 2 drives in here. This is the drive bay on the side, and it flips out, which is really nice, and it's completely removable. So we have 2 drives, SSD drives in this system. 120 gig Kingston drive is used for the operating system, and then we have a 360 gig USB, or rather SSD, and that's used for active VMs. It's really nice because you're running the VMs right off of an SSD. Super quick performance. Below that is the the DVD writer, and underneath that drive cage is a Western Digital 2 terabyte Western Digital Green drive for mass storage. That holds your ISOs, base images for your VHDs, etc. There's 2 NICs in here, so we have one NIC for Hyper-V management and the other one for the Hyper-V switch, which is best practice, and it's all stored in this Roswell micro ATX case, which also includes the 300 watt power supply. 300 watts normally isn't much, but all the draw on this, the very low power requirements, so I only draw 186 watts, so 300 watts is plenty enough. So let's spark it up, and we'll take a look at the boot time on this. So when I turn it on, the first thing that I'll see is the post screen. Then Windows splash screen comes up. It makes less than 1 circle around, and I have a desktop. That's 7 seconds from beep to starting up that I actually have a desktop. It's amazing performance. And with the VHDs running on SSDs as well, they start up within a minute. So very quick performance. Nice stuff. So it's my hope that you would be able to build a system like this for yourself, and then you would be able to leverage that to learn about new technologies, test out new software, test out new solutions, and make yourself a better engineer. Thank you very much.